How to fix Windows 11 hang problem. So if you want to fix the Windows 11 hang problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape keys together. And once you press, you will have the task manager right here. But if you don't get the task manager by pressing the keys, you can simply right click on your taskbar and then go with the task manager, which is right here. So once you go with the task manager, and under your task manager, if you have your CPU or your memory more than 100%, then your laptop will hang. Like your Windows 11 will have a hang problem. So make sure that it is not till 100% or not till the 90s. So you just need to simply go with program or a process that you are not using, but it's in the background. So just right click on it and then go with end task. And after ending the task, then your problem might be fixed. You can simply go and remove the task or end the task of 3 to 4 process and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.